What is Bitcoin? What does Bitcoin do? Is it perfect? Now, why is it revolutionary?
This is the greatest Bitcoin explanation of all time. If you have a family member or a friend who doesn't quite understand what Bitcoin is, send them this video and they will be grateful.
What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the world's first cryptocurrency, and it works because of the world's first public blockchain network. What does Bitcoin do? It's simple. It lets you send and receive value to and from anyone in the world using nothing more than a computer and an internet connection. Now, why is it revolutionary? Because unlike every other tool for sending money over the internet, it works without the need to trust a middleman. The lack of any corporation in between means that Bitcoin is the world's first public digital payments infrastructure. And by public, I simply mean available to all and not owned by any single entity. Now, we have public infrastructure for information, for websites, for email. It's called the internet. But the only public payments infrastructure that we have is cash, as in paper money. And it only works in face-to-face transactions. Before Bitcoin, if you wanted to pay someone remotely over the phone or the internet, then you could not use public infrastructure. You would rely on a private bank to open their books and add a ledger entry that debits you and credits the person you're paying. And if you both don't use the same bank, well, then there'll be multiple banks and multiple ledger entries in between. With Bitcoin, the ledger is the public blockchain, and anyone can add an entry to that ledger, transferring their Bitcoins to someone else. And anyone, regardless of their nationality, race, religion, gender, sex, or creditworthiness, can for absolutely no cost create a Bitcoin address in order to receive payments digitally. Bitcoin is the world's first globally accessible public money. Is it perfect? No. Neither was email when it was invented in 1972. Bitcoin's not the best money on every margin. It's not yet accepted everywhere. It's not used often to quote prices, and it's not always a stable store of value. But it is working, and the mere fact that it works without trusted intermediaries is amazing. It's a computer science breakthrough, and it will be as significant for freedom, prosperity, and human flourishing as the birth of the internet. And Bitcoin is just the beginning. If we can replace private payments infrastructure, then we can replace other private choke points to human interaction as well. Now, why should we want to build more public infrastructure? Why should we embrace blockchains over corporate intermediaries? Why should we tolerate their inefficiencies and work to make them better? Why should we want the pioneers of this technology here in the United States and not fleeing overseas? A simple reason. Because the corporate intermediaries providing today's critical but privately owned infrastructure are becoming fewer, larger, and more powerful, and their failures are increasingly grave. So roughly half of all Americans, 143 million people, had their Social Security numbers exposed to hackers because of a breach at Equifax. The SWIFT network has relayed hundreds of millions of dollars in fraudulent transactions because of hacked member banks in Bangladesh, Vietnam, Ecuador, and Russia. The FBI suspects now that the largest of these hacks was perpetrated by North Korea. Corrupt, low-level employees at an Indian bank, Punjab National, were able to fraudulently certify SWIFT messages stealing $1.8 billion. It's the largest electronic bank robbery in history. In fact, it's the largest bank robbery in history. In October 2016, an estimated 1.2 million internet-connected devices were hacked and turned into a botnet that for several hours made prominent websites unavailable across Europe and North America, including CNN and Fox News, the New York Times, and the Wall Street Journal. Increasingly, physical machines are being connected to the internet to augment their capabilities. They're wired through servers that are owned and maintained by private and trusted intermediaries, the so-called Internet of Things. Pacemakers from St. Jude's Hospital have been hacked. Baby monitors from TrendNet have been hacked. And Jeeps from Jeep have been hacked to the point where they can be remotely commandeered and driven off the road. Now, those vulnerabilities are inescapable in systems that have single points of failure. It doesn't matter if the point of failure is a corporation or if it's a government. There shouldn't be a single point of failure. Blockchains can similarly disintermediate critical payments and IoT infrastructure. The technology is not yet ready to answer all of those questions today, but it is our best hope.
Hello and welcome to our online crypto trading course. This course is for you if you would like to learn something more about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I believe that lessons I'm going to share in the next hour with you are going to make the huge difference in your financial success. Here is what we are going to talk about in this course. If you don't know about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency basics, about history of money, blockchain, mining and altcoins, you can find a short video where we explained everything that you need to know. In this course, we are going to talk about ways of making money with cryptocurrency. Today, we have more than 10 different ways and we are going to explain them step by step. Then we are going to talk about what is crypto trading and how you can earn money by trading cryptocurrency. We are going to talk about how you can analyze the price of one coin or token. We're going to talk about technical and fundamental analysis. We can talk about 3 phases of every crypto movement and how you can recognize them. Then we are going to talk about how you can recognize the crypto trend, about uptrends, downtrends, and consolidation. We have also a very important lesson about support and resistance, where we explain in details how you can find these levels. We are going to talk about best crypto indicators such as moving averages, RSI, Bollinger Bands, MACD, volume, and other indicators. Then we have a lesson about candlesticks and charts, the difference between day trading, swing trading, and investing. Very interesting lesson about secrets of master traders and investors. Then I'm going to explain you step by step how you can buy and sell Bitcoin and cryptocurrency on one of the exchanges. We are going to talk about pros and cons of different exchanges. You're also going to get some bonus lessons, such as one crypto trading strategy that we use very often when trading, some beginner mistakes that you should avoid when you start trading, how to make passive income from cryptocurrency, how to trade breakouts, pullbacks, and reversals. We did analysis of best altcoins for the next bull market and much more. At the end of this course, you're going to get a special offer, so please stay to see what is it about. Today, there are many ways of making money from cryptocurrency. When talking about trading, you can open a long position or buy cryptocurrency with anticipation to price to go up. Once the price go up, you can sell it and take profits. Also, you can short cryptocurrency with anticipation for the price to go down. Once the price go down, you can rebuy the same cryptocurrency and make profit this way. We are going to talk about that a little later. Also, you have an option of saving cryptocurrency. It means that you save cryptocurrency in some of the special accounts and you are getting interest rates like something similar when you save money in the bank. You have a staking option that is a little different than saving because you're getting higher interest rates, but also you need to stake or lock your cryptocurrency for a longer period of time. You probably heard about mining cryptocurrency, where you can use special machines that are designed to mine different crypto. You can also play different games to earn cryptocurrency. You can run or walk to earn cryptocurrency. There are different apps that you can install on your phone and run or walk, and in that way you can earn some tokens and sell them for money later. You can invest in different cryptocurrency, wait for a month or year, and when the price goes up, take the profits. And you can invest in an ICO. ICO stands for Initial Coin Offerings. That is something similar like when you invest in a startup. you're giving the money before the project starts and they have their plan for the project, and if the project goes up, you're sharing profits with the founders. In this way, you can invest in cryptocurrency before it goes to the exchange and make from 10 to 1000 times in profits. So how do we make money when trading cryptocurrency? Let's say that you buy a crypto, for example Litecoin, when the price is at $10 per coin. It means that you open your position and you sell it later for $20 per coin to close a position. You just made some profits, right? So you bought one coin for $10 and you sold it for $20. You just made 10 bucks. I mean, that will be your profit. But if you bought 10 Litecoins and you sell it when the price is $20, with the same math, you will make $100. Most people think that buying and selling is the only way to make money with coins, and that is not true. The beauty of trading and one of the differences with investing is that in trading you can also make money when the price goes down. The second way to make money is by shorting or short selling a coin at a higher price and buying it back at a lower price. Let's say you short it at $20 to open a position because the company is overvalued and technical analysis shows that the price is going to go down. And then you buy it back at $10 to close a position. So with the same math, you made $10 in case you shorted just one coin, or $100 if you shorted 10 coins. Now you may wonder how you can sell or sell short a coin that you don't own. Well, it means that when you click a sell or short sell button, the broker is lending you coins that you need to bring back. So basically you borrow coins from your broker at $20 and then you need to return it back. But your goal is to buy it back for a cheaper price, so you can make money. When you sell, it's called selling short, and when you buy back, it's called buying back or covering a position. You may also question why would broker lend you coins, and there are two reasons for that. One reason is that it gives liquidity to the markets, and another reason is that they charge the fees for lending you coins. It's a pretty low fee for borrowing, but since they have millions of people borrowing, brokers make very good money out of it. The longer you borrow, the bigger is the interest rate. So it's in our interest to make a profit faster and close a position. Down point is that another difference between trading and investing is that for trading there is no good market or bad market if you are a professional. You can profit both ways when you follow the direction of the coin price, and you are the one who could determine the direction of coin by studying patterns and trends. You go long when markets are going up, recovering for a bear trend, but you can get out of your investment once the market starts going down and buy it back again when markets are recovering. We will talk more about it in the lessons to come. As you could see in this video, even though Bitcoin and overall market were heading down on a daily chart, making lower lows and lower highs, I still managed to make more than $150 shorting 1 Ethereum, 50 e-golds, 0.1 Bitcoin and 4,500 LUNC tokens. To determine the direction of the crypto markets, you need to do the analysis. And there are two types of analysis, fundamentals and technical. For crypto investing, we use close to 80% of fundamental and 20% for technical analysis, while for crypto trading, we use around 80% of technical and 20% of fundamental analysis. Fundamentals are more precise for investing because in the long term, the crypto market is more understandable and logical. Before you invest in crypto coin or token, you need to do a detailed analysis of strength, value, long-term perspective. You need to look for a fundamentally great project that will increase in value with a big probability. What makes a company or project more valuable? Supply and demand, scarcity, problems they are solving, the team behind the project, and other things. By studying the financial statements, you can predict the long-term movement 90% of the time. Technicals are what you're interested in more when you are trading. You should analyze patterns of a coin price to be able to determine if the price is on an uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation when the price is moving sideways. You should also analyze the psychology of people who trade and invest. As a trader, you don't want to wait for months and years, you want to make money every week and possibly every day. So what you need to care about as a trader are short-term movements. Technical analysis also help you to read emotional patterns of people who trade and enter and exit at the best time to maximize your profit. Trading has a lot to do with psychology. As a psychologist, to determine the client's emotions, you need to look at the client's facial impressions, body language, in order to tell how the client is going to behave in the short term. When you look at the crypto chart, it is the same. It is like you look at the facial expression, the body language of the coin. By reading the patterns and expressions of chart, you can tell where emotions are driving the coins and where the price can go. You can be right 100% of the time, but you can make a living out of trading even if you're right just 40% of the time. And we will talk about that in the chapters to come. Basically, all the cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, and other cryptocurrency move in cycles through the next three phases. Consolidation or range is when the price is moving sideways. Uptrends when the price is moving up, and downtrends when the price is moving down. When you zoom in the previous picture, you can notice that the price is not moving in straight lines. It has its ups and downs in all phases. If you zoom in on the first phase, consolidation, you could notice that the price touches the same points several times. Lines that are connecting those points are very important in trading and investing, and they are called support and resistance lines. Have in mind that support and resistance are not just the lines, they are more looked as important levels. So support or a support level refers to a price level that coin does not fall below for a period of time. When a coin fails to break the support level, it creates a bullish momentum, a possible buy opportunity. A support level is created because buyers enter the market whenever the asset dips to a lower price, since they are getting the same asset for the lower price. Resistance or a resistance level refers to the price level that a coin doesn't break out above for a period of time. When a coin fails to break the resistance level, it creates bearish momentum, a possible sell opportunity. A resistance level is created because sellers and short sellers sell or take profits whenever the coin is close to the previous highs. In the case of consolidation, you shouldn't trade or invest. You're waiting for the price to go over or to go below. Or if consolidation is wide, you can take advantage and trade. Consolidation is considered when a price touches the line at least 3 times. Once the coin breaks the level of support or resistance, it's starting a trend. When a coin breaks out a level of resistance and starts trending higher, it's called an uptrend. When a coin breaks down the level of support and starts trading lower, it's forming a downtrend. Once the trend is formed, price tends to move in one direction, like a river in a current. Asset prices may seem to move randomly, but they often form repeatable patterns. When you can identify these patterns, you can anticipate the direction of the prices with a high degree of probability and profit immensely from them. There is a quote that says, "Trend is your friend." On an uptrend, you want to go long or to buy cryptocurrency, and on a downtrend, you want to go short, sell cryptocurrency, or take profits if you already bought. How can we identify the trend? Once the coin confirms a breakout, the price is starting to go higher, forming higher highs and higher lows. It means that every high that coin makes is higher than a previous high, and every low that the coin makes is higher than a previous low. Uptrends show that the market is bullish or optimistic. Probability is that person who buys is going to make money. But the question is, where do you want to buy? And here is the answer: on temporary lows, pullbacks or corrections, or on a breakouts of previous highs. Once the coin confirms a breakdown, the price is starting to go lower, forming lower lows and lower highs. It means that every low that coin makes is lower than a previous low, and every high that coin makes is lower than a previous high. Downtrend shows that the market is bearish, pessimistic. Probability is that person who sells or who is shorting a coin is going to make money. You should sell on temporary highs, pullbacks, or on breakdowns of previous lows. Some other powerful tools that are helping us to identify trends are crypto indicators. And there are thousands of different indicators in the world, but you don't have to know them all. There are just a few indicators that you have to know, and they're very important for your success. One of these indicators is volume. Volume is showing us the volume of trading in the given period of time. MACD is following two moving averages, and once they are crossing, it could be a potential trend direction changing, and it could give us a buy signal or sell signal. RSI is Relative Strength Index, and it is showing us if the price of coin is undervalued or overvalued. One of the most powerful crypto indicators are moving averages, and now we are going to talk a little more about them. Another way to identify the trend is by using the moving averages, MA or EMA, as an indicator. Moving averages are calculating the moving average price of a coin to help smooth out the price data by creating a constantly updated average price. They can also indicate the trend direction and provide support and resistance levels. In this picture, you could see how one of the moving averages, in this case 50 SMA, is following the price action. Once the moving average is broken on the upside, the coin is starting an uptrend. Once the coin breaks moving average on a downside, it's starting a downtrend. Also, you can see whenever the price touches moving average from the upside, it's acting as a support line and there are good buying opportunities. And once the price is in a downtrend, whenever it touches the moving average, it's a good opportunity for shorting. You don't need to count your moving averages. Every charting software that you use for trading and investing is providing them for you. In this picture, you could clearly see that Bitcoin price is above all four moving averages, which means that the price is in an uptrend. Also, you could see that the price is far away from 200 moving average, this purple line, which means that this moment is not a good opportunity for buying. If you go back and take a look at the big picture again, you could notice that we have consolidations and trends. Nobody knows how long trends are going to last, but based on the price action and moving averages, we could notice a change in a trend and protect our profits. The most common way to read price movement today is with candlesticks. Every candlestick has three parts: the body, which represents open to close range, the wick or shadow indicates the high and low of a price movement in a determined period, and a color which reveals the direction of a market movement. A green or white candle indicates a price increase, while a red or black candle shows a price decrease. To understand candlesticks better, here is an example of how they are made on a daily basis. Let's say that we have one cryptocurrency, Avalanche. The day starts at $8 and then the price goes ups and downs and it makes the low of the day. Let's say it's $3. Then the price continues going up and downs, and in one point it makes high of the day, which is in this case $30, and then it closed the day at $16. This candlestick would look green. The reason for that is that close price is higher than open price. The open price to the lowest point of the day, we have formed the wick. Also, we have the wick from the closing price to the highest point of the day. This is how candlesticks are made on a daily basis, but this is also how they are made on a 5 minutes, 1 minute and other time frames. While price movements sometimes appear random, at other times they form patterns that traders and investors use for analysis or trading purposes. Many candlesticks patterns are helping us to understand the price better. For example, a hammer is a candlestick that is potentially changing price direction from downtrend to uptrend. In this candle, we could see that bulls and bears were fighting and bulls are winning the fight. That's why we have a wick facing down. After this candlestick, we can see the price moving up, while inverse hammer is potentially changing price direction from uptrend to downtrend. We could see here that buyers and sellers were fighting and sellers are winning the fight. That's why we have a candle created like this, and you could see that after this candle we have price decreasing. Have in mind that no pattern works all the time, as candlestick patterns represent tendencies in price movements and not guarantees. The chart is a visual representation of the price history of a cryptocurrency. It provides you with a context so you can understand the current price of an asset relative to a previous price. The most commonly used charts are candlestick charts. If you are looking at the daily chart that includes the last 30 days, you will see 30 candlesticks. On a daily chart, each candlestick represents 1 day of a trading, while on a 1-minute chart, each candlestick represents 1 minute of trading. Charts can be set in almost any time frame you desire, but the common time frames are daily charts and weekly charts for investing and 1 hour, 15 minutes and 5-minute charts when trading. Based on what you feel comfortable with, you can day trade, swing trade or invest. Day trading means that you open and close your positions during the same day. Commonly used are charts that are representing minute candles like 5-minute, 15-minute and hourly charts. Also, commonly used are 12 and 26 EMA from moving averages. Swing trading means that you keep your positions overnight for days or weeks. Commonly used are charts with daily and weekly candles and all of 4 moving averages. For investing, it is much more important to look at the fundamental analysis than charts, but for the right timing, it's important to look at the charts too. Investing can last for several months, years, or even decades. Commonly used charts for investing are daily and weekly charts and also all 4 moving averages, but most investors use just 200 moving average. What you are going to choose depends on you. How much money you have to start, what is the risk that you can take, and how much time you have to spend. Day trading is the most rewarding, but also brings the biggest risk within. If you can't control your emotions, day trading is not for you, and maybe you should choose swing trading or investing. I am going to share with you a secret of trading and investing masters, and it is the traders and investors' ability to think statistically and manage positions. Managing positions means understanding math, the psychology of other people, how trading as a business works, and having a proven strategy. One of the widely considered wealthiest Americans of all time, Rockefeller, said, "In business, it doesn't matter if you're right or wrong. It is about how much money you make when you are right and how much money you lose when you are wrong." We are not big fans of Rockefellers, but as business owners and investors, we have to admit that these words are so powerful. You can lose money when trading even if you're right 90% of the time. Let's say that you have 10 trades this month, 9 winning trades when you risk $100 per trade with 1 to 2 risk to reward, and 10 trade you decide to risk $1,000 because you think that that is a perfect opportunity. If that trade goes wrong, your account is $100 in minus, even if you were right 90% of the time. So trading and investing pros, think about 3 things before placing any trade or investment. First thing is entry price, the price where you decide to buy or short any cryptocurrency. Second thing is stop price, the price where you decide to get out if the coin goes against your plan, and profit price, the price where you decide to take profits. Let's say that you bought a Litecoin when it was $10 and you put a stop loss at $5. It means that you are risking $5 for this trade or investment. If your goal is to take a profit when the price of a coin is $20 It means that your risk to reward ratio is 1 to 2. You risk $5 to make $10. Your goal could be $30 or more, so you could make your reward more than 3. The goal is for the risk always to stay at 1. The same goes for shorting, just vice versa. Here is the example how it looks in reality. In this moment, I have 3 trades open: Mana, eGold and Phantom. I have all these positions open using one of the strategies from our Crypto Masterclass course. As you could see here, I bought eGold when the price was 55.51. That price was somewhere around here. My strategy showed me that my stop should be around 54.32. In every trade, I'm risking $50. I put the entry price of 55.51 and stop price of 54.32, and my crypto sizing document showed me that I should buy around 40 coins. That is exactly what I did. Right now I'm in plus around $100, which is 1 to 2 risk to reward. When the markets are very volatile, once I achieve 1 to 1 risk to reward, I'm moving my stop up. As you could see, now if the price comes back to 57.1, I'm getting $63 and getting out of position. If the price reach 59.1, I'm getting out with $143. So whatever happens, I can't lose money in this trade. That is why it's very important to always protect yourself. Now, let's say that you have 100 trades a month with 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and you're right just 50% of the time, and you decide to risk $50 for every trade. It means that for every trade you win, you make $100, and for every trade you lose $50. You just need to do the math. Winning trades 50 times 100, $5,000. Losing trades 50 times 50, $2,500. End of the month, 5,000 minus 2,500, you're $2,500 in profit. In case that you're right just 40% of the time, winning trades 40 times 100, $4,000. Losing trades 60 times 50, $3,000. End of the month, 4,000 minus 3,000, $1,000. You are still profitable. The beauty of this system is even if you are wrong most of the time, you could make money. Similar is with investing. Some people say that investing is risky, but one of the richest investors in the world, Warren Buffett, said, risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. Smart investors in big companies are buying cryptocurrency when it's the right timing, combining technical and fundamental analysis together, following an uptrend and nicely managing risks, using different techniques to identify the best moments to buy when the price is considered cheap. Then they sell when the price is close to the top and rebuy again when the price is recovering. This is how rich people build their wealth, and that is actually how rich are getting richer. To be able to buy and sell cryptocurrency, you need to sign in with an exchange. An exchange is a company that allows you to directly buy and sell cryptocurrency from the market online with a click of the mouse or the key on your computer. When it comes to exchanges, here are the biggest scammers in the industry. You're giving your hard-earned money to an exchange, so you need to protect yourself from being scammed. It's completely natural to be careful when deposit your money into the bank account of a company that you don't know. If you want to sleep better at night, knowing your money is safe, check whether the exchange you've chosen operates within the framework of regulations. This means that your money is supervised and insured. To secure yourself even better, you should also look at how long that company is in business. If they exist for more than 5 years, you know that you're doing business with a serious company. We got offers to promote many of exchanges, but it is more important for us to have satisfied students that can get the best deals, fees, platforms, and security then promoting exchanges that pay the most commission to us. Today, based on a previous set, we use few of them. I can't tell you which one is the best for you, but we want you to do your research before you place your money. We are going to talk about pros and cons of different exchanges a few minutes later, and now I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell cryptocurrency in Bitcoin from one of the exchanges that we use, and that is Binance Exchange. If you decide to use any other exchange, they're all similar. You just need to follow step-by-step instructions. Before we start, have in mind that there are many ways to buy cryptocurrency. One is to buy with your credit or debit card, and you can have somebody send you directly to the wallet that is connected to your exchange. I'm going to show you both ways. First thing that you need to do when you choose one of the exchanges is to click on a register button. Any exchange that you choose, make sure that you're going to the direct website of the exchange. Scammers today are very aggressive and they try to steal your money in different ways. One of the ways is that they're making different websites that are similar names like exchanges and trying to get you. So if you're going to Binance, make sure that you're going to Binance.com. Don't go to Bunance, Binance, Binance or some similar website names. Once you go and check website name, click on register. You need to type in your email and to create password. There is also referral ID, which is optional. All exchanges love when somebody brings people to them, and they're rewarding people who are bringing new people to the exchange, but also they're rewarding new people who came through the referral link. So all the people who came through referral links are getting some bonuses and discount on trading fees. These fees are not a lot, like 0.1%. But once you start making a lot of money, this could make a huge difference. If you would like to put our referral link, it is 118-345-949. Once you confirm that you have read and agreed to the terms of service, click Create Account. If you want to buy crypto using credit and debit card or some other option, just go to the Buy Crypto. You can type in your credit card information, click Continue, click the coin that you want to buy, and the coins will appear on your account. I always suggest people to buy USDT coin. That coin worth the same amount as US dollar. In that case, you can wait for the perfect opportunity, and when you think is the right time, you can buy any cryptocurrency that you want. Also, you can use this USDT for trading. If you want somebody to send you cryptocurrency and pay him in cash, you can go to your wallet, fiat and spot. Now the new window will appear and you need to click deposit. Once you click deposit, you will have the option deposit crypto and deposit fiat. You would like to deposit crypto. As I already said, most people will send you USDT or Tether coin, and with that coin you can buy any other cryptocurrency. You need to choose network. I suggest you to choose TRX or Tron network because any amount that you're sending, $10, $100 or $10,000, it is always $1 fee. You're going to get your address that you can copy and send to anybody who is going to send you crypto. You also have the options to choose any other crypto that you would like people to send you. Once they send you, it will appear on your account. So we talked about how you can buy any cryptocurrency, but if you decide to sell cryptocurrency, instead of option deposit, you are going to go to option withdraw. Once you click, you will have an option to withdraw fiat and withdraw crypto. If you decide to withdraw fiat, you can do it directly to your debit or credit card. Just choose the currency that your bank card support, choose the amount and put your card information. Have in mind that different exchanges are charging some low fee. If you decide to send somebody any cryptocurrency, you will go to withdraw crypto, choose the coin that you would like to send, address where you are sending, and choose the network as I mentioned before. So what is actually the best exchange to choose? This really depends on you. Many different exchanges has many different options. For example, I'm using Binance for trading, but I think that Binance is not allowed in US. People from US can use BitGet, Coinbase and other exchanges. In the moment of making this video, for BitGet, you don't need to use any of your information to confirm identity, such as passport or ID. Gate.io is an exchange that I use for some different coins that I can buy on BitGet or Binance. Some coins that you have on Gate.io you don't have on Binance and BitGet. And until they come to the famous exchange like Binance or Coinbase, they can go up to 10 times in price. As I mentioned in the beginning, you're getting some bonuses within this course. One of them is our crypto trading strategy that we use very often when trading. We have some lessons on how you can make a passive income, how to trade breakouts, pullback and reversals, and maybe something that has the most value for this course are more than 20 best altcoins that my team and I analyze for you. You can find both these playlists in the description of this video. If you're serious in learning about trading and investing and want to achieve a master level in your expertise, my colleagues and I have prepared a Crypto Masterclass course in which we help you step by step to become profitable trader and investor. Maybe after all this information we have shared with you in this course, you feel like you know almost everything about cryptocurrency. But believe me, that is only a small part compared to the information you don't know. For some people, this is enough information because they learned what they wanted to know about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and that is perfectly fine. That's why we made this crypto course for beginners. But most people who want to start trading professionally and make a living out of it decide to learn from their own mistakes or to watch YouTube videos from various channels, which unfortunately usually cost them too much. I guarantee you that 99% of information you can find on YouTube is incorrect. The reason for that is because most YouTubers make money from YouTube and not from trading and investing. Also, you can wonder and waste your time because you won't know what you need to look for. And I'm sure that you're aware that the time has the greatest value today. In our Crypto Masterclass, we talk in details about crypto basics, about technical analysis, which includes all the formations and indicators that you have to know to become successful. We are giving a lot of bonuses, some position sizing calculator that I mentioned in today's course. We are sharing with you our back-tested crypto day trading strategies, our back-tested crypto swing trading strategies for people who would like to trade not every day, but to trade on a weekly basis and make passive income out of cryptocurrency. We also talk about different orders and platforms that you can use for trading and investing in details. We are helping you to prepare for trading, talking about everything that you need to do before you start. Also about psychology of trading and investing, which is very important for success. We are sharing the principles of investing and our 3-step investing formula, which makes us profitable in 90% of our investment. Very interesting lesson is investing in ICO. We explain step by step all the principles that we use for investing in ICOs to find the best high potential, low risk projects that are very often going up to 10,000%. We are holding webinars where we work with our students, we are working on their mistakes, we are sharing our trades, and we are answering every question. We also have a library on more than 100 books on trading and investing that we already read. Just these books and lessons from them worth more than $2,000. The fastest way to get from a point A to point B is the straight line. If you want to learn from real traders, join us. Our Crypto Masterclass is currently discounted by 75%, and we will return it to the regular price soon. Even if you don't want to join us, there is nothing wrong with it. We made this YouTube channel for you. We are here to help each other, and we will continue to share useful information with you. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving us a like, comment, subscribe, or share this video with someone who would like to learn something more about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, trading and investing. And I'll see you in some of the next videos.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning.
Hi, in this lesson we are going to talk about strategies. In order to be successful in trading, you need to have a proven, back-tested strategy. In our academy, we back-tested a lot of strategies, and most powerful ones with the biggest percentage of winning we shared with our students. For example, we have ADV Crypto 99 simple strategy, ADV Crypto 12, ADV Crypto Reversal, and we also have two swing strategies that we are using, ADV Crypto Breakout and ADV Crypto Pullback. For all the strategies that we use, we had a team of programmers who backtested not just to see if the strategies work, rather to see in what percentage they work. And we have some of them working in 72%, 69, 71, 69 and other. That means that if percentage of success is 72, out of 100 trades, 72% are winning. In this lesson, we are going to introduce you ADV Crypto 99, day trading and swing trading strategy. Rules for an uptrend: buy when uptrend is established. We are waiting for a pullback and for candle to touch 99 EMA, exponential moving average. Once it touches, we are buying the breakout of the high of the last candle. Stop loss is the low of the last candle, and profit is 1 to 2 risk to reward. For a downtrend, we short when downtrend is established. We are waiting for a pullback and for candle to touch the 99 EMA, exponential moving average. Once it touches, we are buying the breakdown of the low of the last candle. Stop loss is the high of the last candle. Profit is 1 to 2 risk to reward. This is how it looks in an example. Let's say that we have a price action right here, and then we have a breakout of some important level. We don't want to buy right away when we see the breakout. We are waiting for a pullback. Once the price comes back and the candle touch 99 EMA, it is getting our attention. We don't want to buy right away when we see the pullback. We are rather waiting for a confirmation that the price is recovering. First candle that breaks the high of the previous candle, we are buying, and we are put our stop immediately at the low of that candle. We take our profit once the price reach 1 to 2 risk to reward. In this example, we bought when the price was 10.20. We put our stop immediately at 10.10, which means that we are risking 10 cents. Once the price goes to 10.40, which is 2 times of our risk, we are taking profits. The same is with the downtrend, just vice versa. If we have a price action right here, and we have a breakdown of some very important level, we are waiting for a pullback, and once it touches the 99 EMA, it's getting our attention. First candle that breaks down, we are shorting. We are putting our stop loss immediately at the high of that candle. We are taking our profits once the price reach 1 to 2 risk to reward. To go a little deeper, here is an example of Ethereum trading on a 4-hour chart. We had a breakout of the previous very important resistance level. The price went up and came down and touched 99 EMA. First candle that broke out, we were buying. we put our stop immediately at the low of that candle, and we could see that the price never touched the low. Once it reached our 1 to 2 risk to reward, we took profits. Again, sometime later, we have the similar opportunity. We had the breakout of the previous support level. Price went up and came back and touched 99 EMA. First candle that broke out, we bought, and we put our stop immediately at the low of that candle. Once it reached 1 to 2 risk to reward, we took our profits. Have in mind that small breaking out candles are always better opportunity because you are lowering your risk. I hope that you will find this strategy helpful. If you have any question about the strategy, please don't hesitate to write in the comments. Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make money online trading crypto futures on Binance Exchange. We are going to talk about what are actually crypto futures, what are the benefits of trading crypto futures, how can you open a Binance futures trading account. I'm going to explain different orders that you can use, like market order, limit order, stop market order. And in the end, I'm going to share with you one great crypto strategy. So let's begin. What is actually crypto futures trading? Futures contracts that you can trade on any exchange allow traders to gain exposure to cryptocurrencies without the need to possess the cryptocurrency itself. So it's basically the same as you trade crypto, just that you don't buy the crypto directly, you buy a contract with the exchange. All the other stuff is the same, like platform, prices, orders. You just have some more pros for trading and some cons for investing, which I'm going to talk about later. The dominant aspect of crypto futures trading is that it can protect investors against adverse market conditions. Traders can sell high and buy low to profit from the price difference, which is known as short selling. Essentially, crypto futures contracts allow market participants to make profits regardless of the price direction of the cryptocurrency. Here is an example of Binance futures trading. John entered a long future position when Bitcoin was trading at $40,000, while Sarah entered a short position at the same time. Then prices moved up and John and Sarah decided to settle their position at $45,000. In this case, Sarah, who is holding a losing trade, will have to pay the exchange the deficit loss of $5,000. John, on the other hand, will receive a profit of $5,000 from the exchange. There are many benefits of trading futures. First one is leverage. To start trading futures on exchanges like Binance, you can use just $100. For example, to buy one Bitcoin on the spot market, you need thousands of dollars. But with the futures contract, you can open a long Bitcoin position, buy the whole Bitcoin with just a few $100 thanks to leverage. In contrast, leverage is not available in the spot trading. So if you only have $100 in your account, you can only afford $100 worth of Bitcoin, which is 0.00 something. To simplify, it means that if you have $100 in your account and use leverage 20 times, you will have a $2,000 buying power. Let's say that you buy one Ethereum when it costs $2,000 and the price goes up to $2,500. You sell at that moment and make $500 profit. But you can also protect yourself. You can put a stop order at $1,995, and if the price goes down to $1,995, the platform will close your position and you will lose just $5. That is your risk for this trade. You can use from 20 to 100 times leverage depending on your experience. The second benefit of trading futures is that you have over 500 different trading pairs. You can trade almost any cryptocurrency on Binance. You also have low trading fees. You pay something like 0.01%. If you want an additional discount, use the link in the description of the video to register for your Binance account. You also have more than 28 million active people trading futures on Binance, which means that liquidity is very good. I always suggest to people to risk no more than 1 to 2% of their account and always start small and risk just a little until they become profitable. You should always put money on account that you feel comfortable losing, like $100 or $200 for trading futures, and risk just $5 per trade. If you see in 1 month that you are profitable, you can easily start trading with a bigger size. So how do you open a Binance Futures account? If you already have an account and if you use your mobile phone, you need to register to create a Binance Futures account. Then go to Menu, Security, and enable two-factor authentication. Then go to your wallet and deposit funds to your account. If you already have an account, you can transfer funds from your spot account to futures account. You can choose between USD M futures and Coin M futures. Once you choose, you will have a quiz that you need to solve, and once you solve, you are ready to start trading. It's the best if you take time to read the quiz questions and then solve the quiz, but you can find these answers also online. So, as I mentioned, you have different options when trading futures, and I'm going to talk a little more about them. First, you will need to choose between USD M futures and Coin M futures. The main difference is that with USDs, you can use stable coins for trading. For example, you have 2000 USDT or Tether in your account and you want to buy Solana with it. Coin M futures are used if you want to have, let's say, Ethereum in your account and trade pairs like Ethereum Bitcoin, Ethereum XRP, and other pairs. Professional traders use USD M futures, so that is what I'm going to talk about. You will also have an option to choose between perpetual and quarterly. The difference is that crypto perpetual contracts don't settle like quarterly future contracts. Not to go into details, for perpetual you don't have an expiration date, so that's why we use just perpetual for trading. Make sure any coin that you trade says perpetual on the side. Before I explain orders to you, I will need to explain what spread is. So I will try to explain with an example. Let's say that you want to buy Bitcoin right now and the price of Bitcoin is $20,000. You have a buying price if you want to buy that is $20,010 and selling price if you want to sell Bitcoin this moment it's $19,990. The difference between buying and selling price is called spread. So when you use market order, it means that you are getting into position immediately. If you want to buy cryptocurrency, you are getting it for that higher price. So you will get Bitcoin for $20,010. If you want to short or sell cryptocurrency, in this case Bitcoin, you will get it for that lower price, which is $19,990. We use limit order if we want to buy or short just when the cryptocurrency reaches a certain price. Let's say Bitcoin is $20,000 and we want to buy if the price goes to $19,000. We will put here the price of $19,000, let's say size of 1 Bitcoin, and we will go to the buy. Now, as you could see, we have an open order. It says here that if the price goes to 19,000, the platform will buy Bitcoin for us. You can always cancel or delete any of your orders. With the same method, you can also short any cryptocurrency. Let's say there is a resistance level here and you want to short if Bitcoin goes to 23,000. You will put the price of 23,000, size of Bitcoin, you don't need to short the whole Bitcoin, you can short 0.1 and you can press the sell short button. We will see our open order, and if the price goes to 23,000, the platform will short Bitcoin for us. First, I'm going to show you what you're going to do when you want to get into the position. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin when the price goes to 23,000. You will put the stop price 23,000, size that you want to buy, let's say 1 Bitcoin, and press buy button. Again, you will see your order in open orders. If you want to short Bitcoin, you can short if the price goes to the lower price. Let's say you want to short if the price goes to 18,000, you will put stop price 18,000, the size of the coin that you want to short, let's say 1 Bitcoin, and you will press the sell short button. To protect your profits, let's say that you bought Bitcoin when the price was $20,000 and you want to risk $500 in that trade. You will put your stop price at $19,500, size of Bitcoin that you bought, for example 1 Bitcoin, and you will press sell short. If the price comes back to $19,500, the platform will exit your position and you will lose $500. If the price, for example, goes to $23,000, you can cancel your stop market order, put the market order and sell to take profit. The same principle is for shorting, just vice versa. If you would like to start trading cryptocurrency, we made a professional crypto trading course for beginners where you can learn step by step everything that you need to know. Also, on our channel, you can find a simple to learn crypto trading strategy that perfectly works for day trading and swing trading futures. If you would like to start investing in cryptocurrency, my colleagues and I analyzed more than 20 best crypto projects for the next bull run. Hey, I just made $200 while filming this video, and I'm about to close my position. I hope that I helped you to learn something new today. If I did, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in some of the next videos.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning.
We believe that this bull market started in January this year. From that time, we made a crypto portfolio that we are sharing with you, and right now we are up almost $30,000. From that time, we are buying new projects before they are listed on some of the exchanges. We find those projects on websites like ICO Drops, CryptoRank.io, Pink Sale Finance and other websites. For the last few months, I researched more than 10,000 projects, and I bought more than 30 projects that are already listed on some of the famous exchanges. When I'm looking to buy a new project, I'm looking for different criteria, like what type of project is that? Is it an exchange? Is it an application? Or is it a DeFi? Or is it a blockchain itself? What problem does that project solve? Is it a problem that is really needed to be solved in the world? Who is the team behind the project? Do they have a platform that is ready, or they're just raising money for the platform that will be published in the future? Who are the investors in this company, and many other stuff. And I found one project that has amazing results so far. They have ICO, which means that they're raising money right now, and they will be publicly listed on some of the exchanges in December this year. So watch this video until the end and find out what is it about. The project that I'm going to talk about today is D.520. I'm already using this project for some time, and what I use about this project is Scanner, but they also have a DeFi social profile, DeFi portfolio. They have a shield that is integrated by many exchanges, antivirus, and they are working on their first GPT, DeFi Connect and DeFi Layer 2. Here you can see how their scanner looks like, and I'm using this scanner when I'm buying some new projects from the DexTools.io. I do it in the way that I copy the address and then I go to the website dit.fi, paste the address, and in that way I'm getting more information about project. Here you can see the project score, and all the bad things about this project you can find in several sections. Also, very important thing when you invest in some of the ICOs is what are the investors who already invested in this company. And as you could see here, we have multi-million and multi-billion dollar companies such as Hove Capital, Huobi Ventures, very famous Bitmart Exchange, DexTools, and others. If we go a little down, we could see some of the famous investors such as Tyler Wu, that is ex-Huobi Global Managing Director, Kevin Wu, former Binance Director, founder of Synthetics, one of the best DeFi projects, Dean Thomas from Polygon Matic, Justin Lee, and others. Also, when you buy a new project, you want that project to be connected with some of the exchanges, and these are the exchanges where they usually list their project first. We could see that we have Huobi Ventures exchange invested in D5, OKX Ventures, Coinbase, Maxi Global, Bitmart, Binance, KuCoin, and Kraken. Some of these exchanges invested in the project and some of them integrated D5 platform. We could also see here that we have collaboration with big companies such as SpaceX and Tesla, collaboration with very famous universities, and tweets from some of the most famous people in crypto industry. Also, if we go a little down, you can find out what about this project are some of the media saying. Some of the famous media that wrote about this project are investing.com, bitcoin.com, Forbes, Yahoo Finance, and others. I already talked about ecosystem. They're also working on building a card that could be used for paying transactions. And here are some numbers that we can talk about. They have already 4 years of development, more than 60 team members, more than 3 million users for their platform, 42 networks, more than 1 billion money saved. They collaborate with more than 5 exchanges, and here you can see some other important numbers. When we talk about team, it is very important to check their team members and see if they had any experience in cryptocurrency before. You can also go to their LinkedIn profiles and check what they have been done in the past, which I already did, and see how many connections and what experience do they have. Then we are coming to the roadmap, where you can see what these people have been doing in the past. And you will see that this project started 2020 and they've been doing a lot of stuff until today. And the most important thing for you when buying a new project is when are they going to be listed on some of the exchange. As we could see here, their IDO or TGE is planned for December this year. After that, you can always check what is their plan for the future. The next thing to check is tokenomics. We could see that they spend 10% on marketing budget, 3% on early adopters, 20% they keep for liquidity, 7% for community, and also you can find out how much they spend for the seed round, for strategic investors, for the team, etc. So the question is how you can buy this project. In order to be able to buy this project, you need to have a MetaMask, Trust, or any other wallet. Once you make your wallet, you can click on the button Connect Wallet, choose your wallet, and your wallet will be connected. Then you need to choose a network, and I always suggest Binance Smart Chain because the fees are very low. You can use BNB or USDT to pay, and minimum purchase is just $99. Once you buy, you can click on Transaction History, where you can find more information about your purchase. As always, you need to know that I'm not financial advisor and that you're the one responsible for all of your investments. I always talk just about projects that I invest, and as you could see here, I invested 4,000 USDTs and I got 11,428 DeFi tokens. Also, it is important to know about the vesting schedule. As you could see here, you have two options. One is to buy for the price of 0.36 and to have all the coins locked and get your coins daily after the first day of listing. Or, in my opinion, what is better is to get 30% before listing on exchange and 70% in 4 months daily linear vesting. I'm more for this option because when the coin goes on exchange, these projects can go up to 1000 and even 2000%, and I would rather sell 30% for the profit and keep the rest for the long-term investing or just sell few months after. For example, if we take a look at some of the top DeFi tokens, we could see that Chainlink is 9000% up from the ICO, and we have also similar project Thorchain, which is 38,546% up from initial coin offering. I consider DeFi projects with the most potential for this bull market, and that is why I invested so much in this project. If you decide to invest in this project, you can find the link in the description of this video. If you have any information about this project, good or bad, feel free to share with us in the comment section, and I will see you in some of the next videos. Hello everyone and welcome to another video. For all the people who actively trade and invest in cryptocurrency, this video is for you. Watch the video until the end and find out what news you should watch very carefully in 2024 that can affect the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most of other altcoins out there. Before we start, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and join our Telegram group for the latest crypto news and analysis. The first news you should pay attention to is about Bitcoin ETF. Over the past 10 years, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has shut down every application for a Bitcoin ETF, which is designed to track the cryptocurrency's current market price. On June 15, BlackRock filed for SEC approval of so-called spot Bitcoin ETF. Just in case you didn't know, BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager, with more than 10 trillion in assets under management as of December 2023. SEC approval of BlackRock's ETF would breathe new life into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets. But what's different this time? BlackRock is proposing a fund that will follow rules specifically addressing concerns the SEC has cited in rejecting other past applications. It will close loopholes like the absence of mechanism for ensuring that customer assets cannot be diverted by the exchange to an unauthorized party. BlackRock studied the SEC's lawsuit against Binance and Coinbase Global. Then, its own application described how it would avoid problems the SEC had described. That, together with the other parameters, gives Bitcoin ETFs a big chance to get approved this time. If Bitcoin ETFs get approved, that will lead into many other companies investing in BTC and raising crypto market cap to unknown. On the other side, if Bitcoin ETF doesn't get approved, it may crash the Bitcoin price in the short term, but I believe that there will be no impact to Bitcoin in the long term and the new applications may appear. The window for approval is January 5th to 10th, 2024. The second news you should pay attention to is ETF approval. 4 months after applying for a spot Bitcoin ETF, BlackRock has filed an application for a spot Ether exchange-traded fund. The application for BlackRock Ethereum spot ETF created a bullish impact in the crypto market, helping Ethereum surpass the critical resistance level of $2,000. Nasdaq, on behalf of the world's largest asset manager, publicly disclosed a proposed ETF named iShares Ethereum Trust by filling a 90B4 form with the SEC. The results of approval or disapproval may also be expected in January 2024. The third news you should pay attention to is the Ripple XRP case with the SEC. In December 2020, the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, the company behind XRP token, alleging that Ripple and its current and former chief executives had been conducting a 1.3 billion unregistered securities offering by selling XRP, which Ripple's founder created in 2012. Ripple Labs is a registered American company, meaning that the SEC is able to pursue legal action against them, unlike Bitcoin, where the creator is unknown, or other big cryptocurrencies that are registered outside of the US. In fact, one of the Ripple's biggest arguments is that Ethereum, for example, the second largest cryptocurrency, is no different than XRP regarding unregistered securities, so the question of why the SEC gives them the pass arises. For this moment, this issue is being avoided by SEC Chairman Gary Gensler. Ripple is also arguing that the SEC has no jurisdiction over XRP tokens, as many of them have been bought and sold through exchanges outside of the US. The SEC, however, is arguing that Ripple has sold XRP token in exchange for money, which meets the investment of money aspect of the Howey test. This test determines whether or not an asset can be defined as a security. More so, the SEC is also arguing that Ripple executives knew that XRP sales and trading didn't meet the principle of the Howey test. XRP is one of the mega cryptocurrencies that failed to achieve a new all-time high during the 2020-2021 bull run. The lawsuit crashed the price of XRP while making the cryptocurrency holders the biggest victims in this history, meaning that the SEC has actually hurt the people that they were supposed to protect, and that is the investors. Ripple Labs is a strong company with a great product and very experienced team. However, no one knows what Judge Analisa Torres' decision will be. There are a lot of good news for XRP, and in my opinion, there are three possible scenarios. First one is bullish scenario. Ripple wins the case against the SEC and the token gets listed on all American exchanges. In this case, XRP will skyrocket to the new highs. Second is neutral scenario, where Ripple can lose the case in the US but can continue its work worldwide. In this case, XRP should move in correlation with the broader crypto market. And the third one is bearish scenario, where Ripple could lose the case and the token gets banned worldwide. In this case, Ripple will need to find a different business model and the price of XRP can crash to new lows. It will be interesting to see what happened in the lawsuit moving forward. This brings us to the fourth news you should pay attention to, which is crypto regulations. The current state of cryptocurrency regulations is both opaque and rapidly changing. If you're a cryptocurrency investor, it's important to understand the exciting crypto rules and stay alert to what may be on the horizon. Regulations for crypto are the legal and procedural frameworks that government enact to shape many different aspects of digital assets. Cryptocurrency regulations across jurisdictions can range from detailed rules designed to support blockchain users to outright bans on the trading or use of cryptocurrencies. Digital assets regulation may address how digital money is created, bought, sold, and traded. Substantial and clear regulations are necessary for cryptocurrency to flourish and achieve mass adoption. In the USA, crypto is regulated by SEC, that says that cryptocurrencies are securities, CFTC, that says that cryptocurrencies are commodities like oil and gold, and IRS, that says that cryptocurrencies are property. So you need to pay tax for capital gains, like when you sell a house. Cryptocurrency regulation is a good thing, It can boost investor protection, detect illegal activity, and encourage mass adoption of digital assets. What's not great is a lack of regulatory clarity, complex rules, and regulation by enforcement. The fifth news you should pay attention to are interest rates. Big crypto investors will be watching central bank interest rates and a US regulatory decision on new Bitcoin products as they decide how to place their bets for the next year. The Federal Reserve is expected to ultimately cut interest rates in 2024, but in a measured way and with action weighted toward the second half. Today, the Fed funds target rate is 5.25 to 5.5. The Fed will announce decision on interest rates following its two-day meeting ending on January 31st, March 20, May 1st, June 12th, July 31st, September 18th, November 7th, and December 18th. Each decision will be announced on the Fed's website via written statement at 2 p.m. We talked more about interest rates and how they affect crypto in our previous videos. There is one more important thing for crypto in 2024, which is Bitcoin halving. But that is a story for another video. To stay up to date and get the latest news, subscribe to our channel and subscribe to our free Telegram group. Also, if you're a beginner in crypto trading and investing, you can find a free crypto ebook in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in some of the next videos.
Hello everyone and welcome to another video. To better prepare for what is coming in the crypto world in the next 1 to 2 years, we need to know exactly what happened in the past. So in this video, I will talk about very important events that happened in 2023 and about the possible scenarios for 2024 and 2025. Also, at the end of this video, I will invite you to join our team. So watch this video until the end and find out what is it about. Exactly 1 year ago, we published a video in which we bought the whole Bitcoin and certain altcoins and created a portfolio that we will share with you through this bull market. Why then, as well as other useful information for the next 2 years, you can find in the video that is on our YouTube channel. Also, we did an analysis of the stock market over the past 100 years and talked about the correlation of the stock market with the crypto market, where we established that we are in the cyclical bear market of a secular bull market and that there is no reason to panic. We did an analysis of Bitcoin for the past 13 years and talked about what are the risks of investing and why we think that Bitcoin will grow in the next 2 to 3 years. We did a technical analysis of Bitcoin when it was at $16,000 and talked about the levels that we can expect and where and when we can expect Bitcoin to peak in this bull market, and much more. Despite all the videos and warnings that a recession awaits us in 2023, that everything will fall, including Bitcoin, Michael Burry, who shorted S&P 500 and Tesla and then closed positions with the losses in 2023, at the end of the year, our portfolio is in profit, which is around $30,000. And we closed the year with the fact that we didn't have a single cryptocurrency from our portfolio that was in the red. And the profit ranged from over 600% when it comes to Solana and down to just a few percent when it comes to Matic, from whom we still expect great growth in this and the next year. We also shared with you that we bought Solana when it was $13. You can also find that post with the pool on our Belkin channel. At that moment, we bought 123 Solanas, which was around $1,600 investment. Now the price of one Solana is almost $100 and we earn almost 3 Sol tokens by staking. This investment is currently laying around $12,000, which brings us over $10,000 in profit from just one token. We have shared with you 4 cryptocurrencies that we recently bought for $500 at perhaps not the most favorable price. But we believe that because there are new projects and that they have just appeared on the exchanges in 2023 and are still in the development phase, they can bring good profits until the end of this bull market. For now, that portfolio is in the plus by around 20% or $100. And this is just the beginning. It is just our positioning before the prices really start to go wild, considering that we are expecting Bitcoin ETF now or in a few months, Ethereum ETF, crypto regulations, interest rate cuts, XRP case results, and much more. We are not telling you all this to brag, but to draw attention to our work, to share with you useful and constructive information, and to awaken people to become active in one way or another when it comes to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. We think that this may be the last chance for ordinary people like us to enter the crypto market at these prices, before large companies do. Many of you have already noticed the quality of the information we share with you and earned well in the previous year. When BlackRock, currently the largest company in the world, whose ETF is expected to manipulate the price this year, companies such as WisdomTree, ARK Invest, Fidelity, and other multimillionaire and multi-billionaire companies start investing, it's unlikely that you will have the opportunity to buy Bitcoin this cheap again. And most people today make a mistake because they focus on making quick money and buy tokens and coins that have already jumped several thousand%. We talked about meme coin from the 9gag page, which can be bought on Binance and which is currently, in spite of this drop, at about 2000% profits from the ICO. People could see a token raising in price like this one and thinking, oh great, this token is like a few thousand% up, let me buy in this position and then I will make few thousand% again. People who really made money with these tokens are the ones who bought ICO, and once it went live to an exchange, they sold part of the profits on maybe 2,000 or 3,000%, and now every month when they have some of the portion unlocked, they're also selling. And I realized this few years ago. This is the third bull market for me, and I believe that experience from the previous two helped me to make an accurate and precise plan for the maximum gains in this bull market. At this moment, we are mostly focusing on ICO project. For those who haven't been following our channel for a long time, ICO projects are new crypto projects that have yet to be released on one of the exchanges. These include new blockchains, wallets, applications, crypto games, and much more. The reason is that most companies consider that breaking these levels of $30,000 to $40,000, these two red lines, is just the beginning of the bull market. New companies which have been working on their projects for several years and have several million users, followers, and the support of other large companies are only now feeling comfortable to announce their projects and list on one of the exchanges. The reason for this is because good companies know that the best time to start a business is the beginning of a bull market. The mood in the crypto market is positive, everyone invests money, and their projects, if they're good, can grow from 10 to 10,000 times before the arrival of the next bear market. We have been participating in ICO purchases for several months now, and you can find a video on our channel about the DeFi project, one of the better ones that we bought recently, to see how the analysis of an entire project looks like. We will do the same for the whole year of 2024 because big projects are about to go live and prepare the ground for going to exchanges. Most of these new projects have token lock, which usually lasts from a few months to 2 years, but it gives you an excellent opportunity for passive income. When you get to the point where you have bought 30 different projects, regardless of whether it is for $100 or $1,000, you have to start with something. You will have every week the unlocking of a part of the tokens of a project that you can sell on one of the exchanges. To me, that is the sweetest part of earnings. That's why I think it's the best for you to get involved now. as much as you can and as much as you feel comfortable with the risk. We have created a free Telegram channel for you, which you can find in the description of this video and which you can follow in order to stay up to date with the latest news, updates and announcements from the world of cryptocurrencies, as well as a VIP Telegram channel for those who express a desire to join our team and gain insights into all future premium ICOs, airdrops, opportunities, investments, weekly cryptocurrency analysis, insider information, and more. We created 3 different packages and we try to be realistic with the prices, where we reward people who are interested in membership for a long time. For example, if you take the 6-month package, it will cost you around $40 per month and you will get our Crypto Masterclass course for free, where you can learn for yourself everything we do. That will be everything for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the information that we share with you, you can consider giving us a like, comment or subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in some of the next videos. Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video, I will talk about the first big project that we are investing in for this year. I will talk about the most important information. I will tell you how you can test the mainnet and earn free tokens. And also, I will give you step-by-step information if you are interested in buying this token. So watch the video until the end and find out what is it about. The first project we are investing in for this year is DOP, Data Ownership Protocol. This is not a sponsored video. I've been following this project for a few months now, all the partnerships, improvements, growth, customer relations, and based on that, I decided to invest $3,000. I will try to explain to you why in the shortest possible way. First, what is DOP? DOP is a revolutionary protocol built on Ethereum that leverages zero-knowledge cryptography to give users total control over their data. If you ever used DEX wallets like MetaMask, you know that when you send crypto from one wallet to another, your entire financial history is exposed on the blockchain for anyone to see. With DOP, you get to decide what information you share, who you share it with, and what remains private. The first phase of DOP enables fully private crypto transactions on Ethereum. With DOP, people can send and receive crypto without publicly disclosing balances or transaction details. As you could see, the technology is already complete and you can explore their testnet phase to see how it works, which we will do later in this video. In the next phase, DOP plans to allow users to choose exactly what holding and activity they want to reveal on case-to-case basis. Users can search for their wallet on Etherscan and it will show nothing, but if they look it up on DOPScan, they can disclose a customized profile showing approved info like NFTs, token balances or transaction history. In the future phases, they plan to enable developers to build apps on top of the protocol to allow decentralized lending and trading while maintaining privacy, and even facilitate an entire internal DOP ecosystem with NFT markets, ICO platforms, and DEXs. From the main page, you can click on white paper where you can find more information about the project. What I am interested in first is tokenomics. If we take a look at the token distribution, we can see that this distribution strongly favors users, with 55% of tokens allocated to community via airdrops, rewards, and other incentive programs. The team, advisors, and other entities are subject to long vesting schedules to ensure commitment to the long-term growth of DOP. What I especially like is that there is a vesting period for everything from 12 to 24 months except the private sale, where is 100% of tokens unlocked. And also there is no public sale, which means that not everyone can invest and dump. Most investors are the companies, exchanges, and people close to owners. But also a lot of tokens will be distributed to different wallets through airdrops. And the way they are growing, I would say that testnet will have more than 1 million different holders, and it will make it easier to apply to T1 exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, and others.
When talking about roadmap, you can see here what have been done in the past, like enabling private transactions on Ethereum, testnet launch, private sale, which is finishing soon, and what I'm interested in is DOP token launch, which is planned for Q1 2024, and I would say it will be in February or March. If we take a look at their Twitter account, we could see all of their announcements, new collaborations, and other important information. But we could also see that at this moment they have more than 600,000 followers. If you follow them for a long time like we did, they had 300,000 followers on December 27th and 100,000 followers on December 17th. That means that in less than a month they grow 500,000 of followers, which shows how good they are in marketing and how fast is interest for their project growing. I also noticed that CZ from Binance got attention for this project and retweeted one of their tweets. And being the part of Binance Academy makes them a good candidate for listing on Binance in the future. On their website, you can find more information about their community, social media, different platforms, team, and you could see that they have a team of more than 20 developers, and here you can find more information about them. Now I will show you how you can earn free tokens and then how you can invest in this project, of course if you're interested. We will go through their mainnet, explore how it looks like, and that is the opportunity for you to get already confirmed airdrops. Before we start, you need to have MetaMask wallet and Twitter. This will take around 10 minutes and you can skip this part of the video if you're not interested. First thing you need to do is to go to our website advcapitalacademy.com/blog, find crypto airdrop, or you can just click the link in the description of this video and you should scroll down and find information about DOP token and click on this link. The new window will open. You need to read and accept terms and conditions and then just enter your email. Go to create wallet, set a password, and you're gonna get a secret recovery phrase. Remember it, go to verify. Once you verify, click OK, I'm done. Continue. Save your key. Repeat your password again. And you can start by connecting your MetaMask wallet. Connect. Switch network to Sepolia network. And you will have 8 assignments to do. They're very easy. First one is to connect Twitter. It's today's X. Authorize app and follow DOP on Twitter. The second step is to claim Sepolia token. Just click on claim, copy, put it on MetaMask wallet, click on claim again, and you finish the third step. Fourth step is to claim different testnet assets. You can see here what kind of assets you have. You just need to claim one of them. Go to copy, go to MetaMask wallet, and it will automatically claim all the other ones. Click on claim. And the next step is to encrypt assets. Go to get started. You have your wallet selected. Click one of the assets. It's going to be DOP USDT. Set some amount, some low amount. Confirm. Set the max. Next. Approve. And you just encrypted 20 DOP USDT. Then you can go to the next step, which is to send assets. Select the one that you used. I will select 10, send, confirm.
confirm in the wallet, and you just send 10 USDT. The next step is to decrypt assets. The one that we encrypted, we're gonna decrypt now. I'm gonna select 5 of them. You need to repeat your password. After that, click on decrypt, and you just decrypted 5 of the tokens. These are basically all the steps. You need to invite 3 friends, and once they sign up, you will be eligible to get your airdrops. I know that some people wouldn't like to get involved in inviting somebody. You can also make 3 new wallets and in that way get it. These things are helping the project for their marketing to get more customers. As you could see, that is the reason why this project already has more than 600,000 followers, and later on the worth of this token is gonna be higher. Once you complete all the steps, you can check your progress, and later on you're gonna be eligible to claim your tokens. If you're interested in buying DOP tokens, as I mentioned, there is a private sale ongoing. Private sale means that not everyone can participate, and it's not going to be shared anywhere like public sales. I had a luck for being in crypto world to meet one of the developers working on the project who gave me the code, which I'm going to share with you. To buy the tokens, you can use Ethereum network and tokens such as Ethereum, USDT, USDC, and wrapped Bitcoin. Once you buy, you will be able to claim tokens and to have 100% of tokens unlocked before they list to different exchanges. We will share our code to our Telegram group, which you can find in the description of this video, which is also private, but you can follow it for free. So make sure you follow us on Telegram if you're interested in buying. Anyway, if you have any comments, good or bad, or any news about this project, feel free to write in the comment section. That will be everything for this video. I hope that you liked the video and that you learned something new today. If you did, you can consider giving us a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in some of the next videos.